What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to apply a brand logo into the Anzu WordPress theme for free, the free Visual Model WordPress theme, and the last theme that you will ever need, by the way. Go to our WordPress dashboard appearance, make sure that you have installed and activated your Anzu WordPress theme. It's free, so easy to download and install. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here explaining how to download this theme. It's really simple, but review this video. After this, go to Appearance Customizer. Once on it, you're gonna be able to see a lot of new options that came for free into your WordPress site, and one of my favorite ones is the logo amount of options. You can even apply logo for dark website style. That is another nice option. Go to header, the very first option. Let's explore the general, where we can remove or add the search and cart icon. Remember that the cart icon only appears when you have WooCommerce enabled, WooCommerce plugin active. After this, we have this one, that is the branding. That is, we can choose the logo, image, the title, and the tagline, and you can choose to display or remove any part of this. We have three parts: the logo, image, the site title, and the tagline. Title and tagline are set on Settings, General of your WordPress dashboard. And the final option, the middle one, but the final for this tutorial, is the most important one, that is the logo. So customize, header, logo. We have options to show the logo in different devices. For example, a special logo file for retina display, a special logo file for transparent header, and a special logo file for mobile menu. If you just upload a single one, like I'm doing right now, your logo gonna be displayed across all these devices, but you can choose in the case that you want a different logo for mobile, for example. If you enable this different logo for retina devices, you're gonna be able to see a new field where you can click to select and upload a new image that's gonna be your special logo for retina display. The same thing for mobile and the same thing for transparent header. This is only in the case that you would like to have your header to overlay, which is very common used into some site styles. We have even an option to apply the logo for dark mode website, and we can enable the transparent header for some pages in the case that you would like to have that. But now let's focus only into the logo. The logo is now displaying into the WordPress header, the website navigation header, and we can go back to branding to see the three parts working on. For example, this one, that is the logo, the image, the title, and the tagline to the center. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodel.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes and to download and review the Anzu Visual Model WordPress theme. It's free. And I see you later. All the best!